Have you ever wondered what happens when human engineering meets raw power? Some machines are built to move mountains, quite literally. Today, we're diving into the world of massive bulldozers, machines so powerful, so colossal, that they can reshape entire landscapes with ease. From record-breaking behemoths to unstoppable giants, we're exploring the biggest and most powerful bulldozers ever built. And trust me, you won't believe what's at number 1. Let's get started. Number 12. Komatsu D575A. If there's one bulldozer that looks like it eats dirt for breakfast, it's the Komatsu D575A. Nicknamed the Superdozer, this 1,150 horsepower beast is one of the largest bulldozers ever made. It doesn't just move soil, it commands it to move. But this isn't just a brute force machine. It's also designed for comfort and precision. The suspension seat, ultra-smooth controls, and spacious cab ensure that the operator feels as relaxed as possible, even while shifting thousands of tons of earth. With an advanced monitoring system, operators can keep everything under control, ensuring efficiency and power at the same time. It may not be the biggest, but it's one of the most feared bulldozers in the world. Number 11. Allis-Chalmers HD41. Would you believe that one of the biggest bulldozers ever was built back in 1972? Meet the Allis-Chalmers HD41, a 65-ton crawler bulldozer that once dominated the construction industry. This machine was so ahead of its time that when two men stumbled upon an abandoned HD41, they couldn't believe what they were looking at. Even next to modern giants like the Caterpillar D9, the HD41 held its ground. Instead of letting it rot, engineers restored it to its former glory, showcasing it at tractor exhibitions as a testament to its power. With a massive blade, an ultra-durable frame, and powerful all-terrain tracks, this bulldozer was built for serious work. This is not just a legend of the past, it's proof that great engineering never dies. Number 10. Caterpillar D10T2, a bulldozer with a brain. Some bulldozers crush anything in their path, but the Caterpillar D10T2 does it smartly. With a 600 horsepower Cat C27 engine, this monster bulldozer doesn't just plow through obstacles, it does it efficiently. What makes it special? Fuel efficiency. This powerhouse burns less fuel while still maintaining maximum output, keeping costs lower without sacrificing performance. And here's the cool part. It's modular, meaning operators can equip it with different blades, winches, and rakes, making it one of the most versatile bulldozers on the market. It's not just a machine, it's a game changer in the bulldozer industry. Number 9. John Deere 1050K, the unexpected challenger. When you think of John Deere, you probably picture farm equipment. But did you know they also build powerhouse bulldozers? The John Deere 1050K proves that they aren't just good at tractors, they're masters of heavy machinery too. This bulldozer was designed for extreme durability, fuel efficiency, and easy maintenance. Its engine is optimized to reduce fuel consumption, saving companies big money on operations. And when it comes to maintenance, John Deere kept it simple. Operators can access all major components quickly, meaning less downtime and more work done. It's powerful, efficient, and surprisingly easy to use. John Deere knew what they were doing when they built this beast of a bulldozer. Number 8. Liebherr PR776 Litronic, the German engineering marvel. When it comes to high-tech bulldozers, the Liebherr PR776 Litronic is in a league of its own. With 768 horsepower under the hood, this German-built machine is designed for maximum performance with minimal fuel consumption. Its advanced hydraulic system makes it one of the most maneuverable bulldozers on the planet, able to handle tight spaces and rough terrains with ease. But that's not all. This engineering masterpiece comes equipped with state-of-the-art monitoring systems, keeping track of everything from fuel efficiency to wear and tear. And for the operator, unmatched comfort. An ergonomic seat, vibration reduction technology, and fully digital controls make this one of the smoothest bulldozers to operate. If precision and efficiency are what you're after, The PR776 Litronic is the perfect bulldozer for the job. Number 7. New Holland D180, the ultimate operator's bulldozer. When designing the New Holland D180, engineers didn't just focus on power, they made sure the operator experience was second to none. Let's start with the cabin. This bulldozer is packed with features to make long shifts as comfortable as possible. Multi-screen digital monitors track all critical functions, so operators always know what's happening. Adjustable seats, armrests, and controls make it feel custom-fit for each user. Dual steering systems allow for personalized handling, making it feel smooth and effortless. But let's not forget about performance. The D180 has one of the highest ground clearances in its class, allowing it to glide over obstacles without damage. And if maintenance is needed, it's a breeze. The easy access panels make servicing this powerful beast quick and simple, keeping it on the job longer. For those who want performance and ease of use in one package, the New Holland D180 is an absolute must-have. Number 6. Shantui S D60-C5. The precision machine built to take on heavy-duty construction projects, the Shantui SD60-C5 is an absolute workhorse. With a 530 horsepower engine, this massive bulldozer can clear roads, level land, and power through the toughest jobs with ease. What sets it apart? Its technology. GPS navigation allows operators to follow preset paths, reducing errors. Automated blade controls help fine-tune precision, making it ideal for high-stakes projects. Heavy-duty frame and high-strength materials ensure that it can take a beating and keep going. This bulldozer isn't just about power, it's about perfecting the job. With its smart automation features and rugged durability, the Shantui SD60-C5 is a must-have for large-scale projects that require both strength and precision. Number 5. Fiat Alice HD41, the Forgotten Giant. At first glance, you might mistake the Fiat Alice HD41 for an old-school machine, but don't let its age fool you. With a 650 horsepower engine, this bulldozer was a monster in its prime, built to handle the roughest terrains and the heaviest loads. What makes it special? Its legendary durability. Even today, restored HD41s are being used in construction and mining projects, proving that this machine was built to last. The spacious cabin and high visibility design make it surprisingly operator-friendly, even by today's standards. If there's one bulldozer that stood the test of time, it's the Fiat Alice HD41. Number 4. Chetra T40, the Russian tank of bulldozers. If raw power and resilience are what you need, look no further than Russia's Chetra T40. Built like a tank, this 500 horsepower bulldozer is designed to crush anything in its path. It plows through mud, rock, and snow like they're nothing. Its high-strength steel construction makes it one of the most durable machines ever made. Massive tracks provide superior grip, ensuring that nothing slows it down. And inside, advanced controls and high-comfort seating mean that operators can work for hours without fatigue. This isn't just a machine. It's a battleship on land, built for the toughest jobs imaginable. Number 3. Caterpillar D11, TSD, the king of bulldozers. If there's one name that dominates the bulldozer world, it's the Caterpillar D11 TSD. This industry-leading machine isn't just powerful, it's intelligent. A state-of-the-art transmission system reduces wear and tear, keeping the machine working longer. Ergonomic seating, climate control, and digital controls ensure maximum operator comfort. Its blade is designed to push more dirt with less effort, increasing efficiency by 11% over its predecessor. This bulldozer is a true engineering marvel, blending technology and brute strength into one unstoppable machine. Whether it's mining, construction, or land development, the Caterpillar D11 TSD is the ultimate powerhouse. Number 2. AC Super Bulldozer. Some bulldozers are built for power, but the AC Super Bulldozer was built to break records. Weighing a staggering 183 tons, This Italian monster was originally meant for Libyan land development. However, due to international trade restrictions, it never left Italy. Now, it stands as a monument, a testament to the most extreme bulldozer engineering the world has ever seen. Number 1. Le Tourneau L2350. And finally, the largest, most powerful earth-moving machine ever built. Meet the Le Tourneau L2350, a machine so massive, it holds the Guinness World Record for the largest front-end loader in the world. With the ability to lift 80 tons of earth in a single scoop, this machine was built for industrial-scale mining and construction projects. It's not just big, it's a game-changer in the world of heavy machinery. And that wraps up our list of the biggest and most powerful bulldozers ever built. Which one shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more jaw-dropping content.